This certificate is proudly awarded to Pastora Claudine Busakay Paclan in grateful acknowledgement of his distinguished, valuable service rendered as guest speaker during our 9th church anniversary with a theme, Deeper, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and success of the occasion. Given this 23rd day of March in the year of the Lord 2025, Haven of Worship to Long Ardaneta City, Pangasinan. Signed in the presence of our Secretary, Flor Raguntige, Eileen Padilla, President, Pastor Rudy Valdez, Senior Pastor.